thunder in the back. So now let's go in the Mercedes-AMG GT, optimized by Performaster. Not only 612 horsepower, but also, as I've shown you outside, a cool aerodynamic kit that they have added and developed on their own. I think it looks equal good to compared to an AMG GTR. Actually, it's not that aggressive, but still very subtle in the design, so nice job there. But of course, the important part about this car is every AMG GT is already a very special car, but the power that this car has is simply immense. And yeah, we have a Friday afternoon. It finally got warm in Germany, so just join me enjoying this AMG GT from Performaster. Just amazing. It's insane. I mean, once the power is released, you have the feeling like in the first gear the car still says, okay, I'm not giving full torque and full power, but once the power fully kicks in, it's just so much more on top compared to the regular AMG GT. Unbelievable. And we have driven a car like this before actually, but I think with the facelift, or with the, let's say, revised version, transmission and engine play together even better, and the Performaster kit is worth even more from my perspective. So the cool part about this power increasement is that it's really usable. I mean, you already know that even a 476 horsepower AMG GT is a really fast car. It sounds amazing, it's a supercar-like, and with that, let's say, improvement not only for the power of the engine, but of course also for the shift of the transmission, you have a really good package here. I'm not sure what they have done, but I think they have even improved the gear shifts, because the upshifts are ultra fast. I mean, you know, we have a C63S which has the conventional MCT speed shift transmission, and this one double clutch is just amazing. We already knew that, but in this spec, in this setup, I think it's even faster from the shifts, and it just snaps in like this. That is really amazing. I'm really looking forward to test the 0 to 100 and the 100 to 200 time, which is a lot more important, to see how much power this car really has. And as we have just driven like the 612 E63S, which has 612 horsepower and 850 Newton meters stock from factory, and this feels so much more brutal, of course because it's lighter, but also because everything fits together so well. Amazing. Maybe we do launch control here. I want to do launch control. Yeah, I mean, 0 to 50 takes a bit of time, because the tires of course are not fully warmed up here, and the tarmac is pretty cold. But once, yeah, from 50 kilometers on, once the power kicks in, it's just amazing. So what do you think? Straight way home or another detour? We take another detour. It's just cool. And you don't even have to drive like really, really fast. There's a lot of fun in normal speeds. Actually, I'm driving 50 and the sign is still blinking. So much for that. I think we do another launch control. Beautiful light here. Pull 2 pedals, up for race start. Wow. Traction! Now it comes. Whoa! And the thunder in the back. Oh, beautiful handling as well. Hold on tight. So now I think I have to get the engine cooling down a bit before I put the car in the garage. More stuff within the next days. Stay tuned. Have a nice evening, guys. Bye bye.